Hello, this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and you have stumbled upon my Docuseries, Learning Acrylics. Turn the football game down. I'm filming this just a little bit early, because I have a boatload of videos coming for December, so I'm trying to get a little bit of a head start. We're going to be doing another fall acrylic manicure. I'm using Igel Beauty's acrylic and Jester. It is so pretty. It looks satiny, doesn't it? So we're going to be using that. And then, oh, I guess I should show you the number on the bottom. It is DD because you can dip or use it as an acrylic. It is 104 for Jester. This is Octoberfest DD95. And this is like a coppery color. It doesn't, well, you can see it here on this nail. It's a coppery color. And then this nail here, they're true to color. They are beautiful. I like them, so I'm going to use them here on this mani. We're going to have one of each color. So I'm going to get some monomer in my brush, just dabbing it just a bit. We're going to go into Jester here with the bead. Forgot to wet my nail. So we're just going to have to work this out. Work it out, work it out. Have it strolling down the nail. I wanted to get some gravity going here, but I forgot to wet the nail, so it's not traveling how I want it to. Not at all. Not at all. And I hope I am in frame. Trying to keep in frame, but keep the gravity flowing at the same time. Wipe your brush, wipe your brush. And we're going to wet the rest of the nail. We're going to go in for another bead. I think this color is really pretty. They're just so satiny looking. I'm going to feather it backwards, smooth it out. And it has flow to the tip of the nail. Just where I need it. Now I need to make sure I've got no dimples, so to speak, no lumps, no bumps. This one turned out beautiful. Which the rest of mine would have flowed that easily. So now we're going to go in with Octoberfest, which is the color, the copper color. Oh, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I forgot to wet this nail too. So please subscribe to my channel, please click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. And I wouldn't want you to get lost in the hustle and bustle of YouTube, or to miss something, a giveaway, or a video that you might have really been wanting to see on a, you know, like a particular topic. I do take suggestions. So if you've got something that you'd like to see me do on my acrylic series, or my She Modern Saturday, or even my Thursday, let me know. You can DM me, you can go to my community page and leave it here on YouTube. DM me on Instagram, leave me a message. So yeah, I think this is really pretty. Not a big enough bead. At least I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm sure you're all thinking of your Christmas manicures just as well as I am. I've got 12 Days of Christmas, the Advent Calendar. 12 Days of Christmas I'm doing with Pumpkin. She did it last year, and I kind of just did my own thing last year of 6 Days of Christmas. So this year I want to, you know, get in on the full shebang and do the 12 days. So we've already got our list wrote out of what we're going to do. Some of it's going to be a little outside my comfort zone. So we shall see. Hope you all stay tuned for that. Whoops. Need just a really tad bead at the tip. I feel. Lightly brush it backwards, feather it in. There. Just one little corner is missing. There we go. This nail is finito. Itchy nose. So I'm going to cover up my products. I'm going to start need to open my clear up. The clear I'm using right now is Legacy Nails. It's off of Amazon. I ran out and needed something really quick, so I picked this up. So we are going to, on the index and ring finger, going to add some little glitters and leaves. I'm going to try, and I don't know how well this is going to work out. I don't know if this is going to work out at all. Maybe I should have wet the nail first. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I do, but I only want a partial glitter nail. I don't want the whole thing. And this glitter is by Charlie's Nail Art. It is called Festive Cheer. I will hold it up so you can get a good look at it. It's super, super pretty. Super ready for fall. So that's all I'm going to be doing on that nail. I just want like partial. And I'm going to encapsulate, of course. And it's definitely flowing down the nail. Woo! Faster than I could get my brush up here. We're just going to let it flow over the glitter. Clean my brush off. I'm going to put a tad bit more clear over there on the tip. Huh. I'm not sure what to think. There. What do you think? What do you think? I think it turned out really pretty. The true test will be after I've buffed and filed. And what am I looking for here? There we go. I'm going to put some leaves. Maybe I need some wet acrylic. I think I did this wrong. I think I should have added these when the acrylic was wet. So I'm going to put this on it, wipe it down the nail, which is like a huge no-no, but I want my leaves to stick. I want my leaves to stick. I've got all different colored leaves. And I was going to randomly, I guess if I had one picked up, I'd put it on the nail. Randomly place them on the nail. Start to do this. Oh. I know what I'm doing is a huge no-no. And you ask, why am I doing it, you say? Well, I want leaves on my nail, and I don't know how else to do this. I think I made a boo-boo. So I'm trying to fix it. Trying to let the acrylic flow down the nail to encapsulate my leaves. Oh boy. So I'm going to go in with another bead. So I'm going to turn the nail upside down. And I'm going to let it travel backwards down the nail. This is also probably a huge no-no. But it's what I'm doing. I'm trying to encapsulate my leaves. Trying to get them all spread out evenly on the nail. And I'm sure I'm going to have to put another layer on top. So I'm going to let that rest for just a minute. Take my leaves and glitter over yonder. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Yonder started to tilt over. I'm going to clean my brush. Get all the glitter out of it. Okay. We're going to let this nail sit for just a momento. Oh, what is on this nail? So I hope you give this video and any others of mine you watch a thumbs up, because I've noticed as of late, say the first 5 people viewing comment, so you know who the first 5 are, right? Not all 5 are giving a thumbs up. And I noticed that on one of my videos recently, and I think I even said something about it, and by clicking the thumbs up is letting YouTube and myself know that you've liked what you've seen, you want to see more of it. So I would appreciate a like, a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it greatly. Just as I appreciate your support. But if you don't give me a thumbs up, I don't really know if you like the content or not. So, I don't know, thumbs up, thumbs down, something. Let me know if you like what you're seeing. If you don't, if something you'd rather see me do, let me know. It's real easy. Real easy. So we're going to go into another little bead down here at the bottom. There's glitter in my monomer. There we go. We are encapsulated. Hopefully it's good. We'll find out when I file. Whew. We're stuck. So I'm going to pause. I am going to do my filing off camera because it takes a minute. And I do hand file. Aww. This bums me out. I hate how I do this, and I know they say don't lay it on paper towels, but we do, and I do, and this is what happens. So, we are going to pause. We are going to take a break, let these cure, file, buff, and we'll be back. Seems we lost some footage at the end of the video where I put on the bling and top coated everything, so I'm re-recording this part to show you how good this looks. Can't say fresh out of the lamp because this was 2 days after, but these turned out really nice. I like the way that they look. The glitter is fully encapsulated, so are the leaves. You feel nothing. I'm really pleased with them. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever you feel is appropriate. That way I know if you're liking what you see. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.